Hey everybody, just want to welcome you back to another one of our quick little video snippets. If you're watching this as we release it, I just want to wish everyone a super happy new year. We have just entered into the 2022 year and knock on wood, this one's going to be a great one for us, we hope. So anyway, I just wanted to do a little quick video that I thought might be of a little bit of help to some of my seller friends out there right fast and discuss the just couple of things that you ought to be doing to spruce up your home before you put it to sell for the market. So basically we're going to call this what to repair before you list. All right. And it's a very short list because in today's market, we really actually don't need you to do a whole lot to get it ready to go to market. A lot of times those big repairs that you were thinking of, you may or may not need to do. So even this list, I want you to discuss with me before you actually do anything based on where your home is, what the price point is, what our goals are, all that kind of stuff. But we really don't want you investing too terribly much money into the property before we list it for sale right now. So here are just a real small handful of things to consider before you list your property. Okay, so the first one is a fresh coat of paint. I want you to look at the exterior of your house and I want you to look at the interior of your house and I want you to determine, like, does it really need it? Would it make a big difference? Does it make it feel fresh and new again? Is the HOA going to come after you shortly if we don't get it done? Those kinds of things. But the first thing that I would tell you to consider as you're going down your list is a fresh coat of paint. All right, both on the inside and on the outside. The second thing I would ask you to look at and just consider would be your flooring. Does it need to be cleaned? Or does it need to be replaced? Or do we need to discuss some sort of a flooring allowance when we list the property as well? So again, in the market today, I want you to let's have a conversation before we go doing anything. But that is the next thing that I would like you to have a real good look at and consider if it needs to be repaired before we take your house to market. Okay, the next one, refreshing of your exterior landscaping, particularly your front yard, because your front yard is sort of that big curb appeal factor that we're talking about. So do we need to just pull out some pots and plant some annuals or some quick perennials and just spruce up the front? Do we need to fix up the lawn? Do we need to rake the rocks? What do we need to do to refresh that landscaping, specifically the front yard? So have a look at that and let's have a conversation about that. The next one is to fix or upgrade or update any of your fixtures. So lighting fixtures, also faucets and those kinds of things. If you've got stuff that you absolutely know that the inspector is going to call out, a drippy faucet, a leaky, plumbing or something of that nature, or a not working light fixture. Let's go ahead and take care of those things. It's just going to be quicker and cheaper to do it up front than to deal with it kind of afterwards, since we know it's going to be a deal anyway. But again, if you don't have the money, let's have that conversation and talk about either how we get it done, and have you pay out of the proceeds of the house, or if it's even really necessary right now. All right, and then the last thing that I want you to consider, and this is a big consideration that we are going to discuss before you do anything with, and that is your kitchen. Is it outdated? Do we need to paint the cabinets? Do we need to change out the countertops? What kind of condition is it in? So again, that can be kind of a pricey repair. And so I don't want you to do anything until we've discussed it and looked at it together. But those really are the 5 things that I would have you take a look at and consider when we're talking about putting your house on the market and getting top dollar for your house. All right. So again, just to recap really quickly: paint, the flooring, the landscaping, the fixtures, and then the kitchen. Those are the big ones. All right, you guys, if you have any questions at all, or you're thinking about listing your house for sale, please reach out to us. Let us be a resource for you. You can reach out to me directly at 480-415-1341, or you can always visit our website where you'll find this video, lots of other videos, and just a whole bunch of other resources for you. And you can find that at www www.living48realestate.com. Thanks you guys for watching this video blog, and we'll catch you on our next one. Bye.